how to make money on Freelancer as a TikTok content creator. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money using this platform. So let's get started first by explaining the platform for you. So guys, freelancer.com is a platform where you can create your own profile in order to showcase your skills to the visitors of the platform and the business owners. So for example, if I was a business owner or a visitor coming to this platform to find a TikTok content creator or to hire one, I will just go to hire freelancers in here. Then I'm going to go with to search by skill categories. It's where you can find every skill you're searching for. So just wait for it to load. And here we have the websites, IT and software category. Let's find the content category. So let's scroll down. We have the writing and content category. This is where we can find a TikTok content creator. So let's go to the T. We have here T, taglines, technical writing, travel. I don't know. We have cartography and maps, case, sketch, comedy, communications, content audit, content creation, content strategy, content writing. I think we will choose one of these. Which one is the closest to TikTok content creator? Let's go with content creation. So let's choose content creation, and here you can hire expert content creators for any job, and by scrolling down you will be able to see their profiles. And here click on see more content creators. So guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can create your own profile like those people to showcase your skills. But first, let's remove online users as a filter to know the exact amount of competitors we have in this category or this skill. So now it's showing 156 results, but if we remove online users, we will see that we have 47,502 results. So that amount is huge. So you will need to have an outstanding profile with a great description that stands out in the face of all those competitors. So first, let's check this man's description. It's the first one that was suggested in there, so he must be the best. So his name is Wasim, pitch deck, connoisseur, PPT, marketing and business. 100% percentage of jobs completed. That's very outstanding. 95% on budget, 98% on time. So those percentages explain why he's the first one the platform suggested for us. And this is his description. Hi there, I am a marketing grad from University College London, class of 15, and have embarked upon this business venture. I have incredible expertise in helping startup companies and growing businesses get their vision and story told to potential unlocking investors. In the modern business environment, effective communication is essential. So that's a great description, a great start of a description. So guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a profile like this, how to add your cover photo, your profile photo, how to add your hourly rate, your whereabouts, and how to have all of these verifications. And I'm also going to show you how you can drop your portfolio as well. The portfolio is very important, guys. You know that clients can't hire you without knowing the kind of job you can offer. So let's go back and let's start creating our profile. Let's click on the button in here and let's wait for it to load. And here click on earn money freelancing. Then make sure to fill the usual information, your first name, last name, email and password. Then click on join freelancer. For me, I'm going to log in. I've already created my account. So here I'm going to move on with my username and my password. Then click on login. Then you will be redirected to your dashboard where you can control everything about your account. And here you have this button in your top right where you can check everything about your account, from viewing your profile, to your membership, to your account analytics, to your bid insights and the settings. Then you have the finances where you can check your balance, you can add funds, withdraw funds, check your transaction history, your financial dashboard and your payment sharing. And here you have the support if you have encountered any problems, or if you want to invite your friends, or if you want to log out as well. So let's go up to view our profile. And this is the profile. As you can see, it's very empty. So let's start making the adjustments. Start with clicking on edit profile in here. Then you move on to verifying your email first. And after you verify your email, then you move on to adding your profile picture. And then you add a cover photo as well. Then you move on to the verifications. So here, join the elite group of the best freelancers. Then verify your identity through a government issued ID check and a proof of address. Verify your payment method as well. Verify your phone number and connect your Facebook account too. Then you move on to adding your hourly rate. Then you add your professional headline and your summary. It's your description. It's where you're going to talk about yourself, talk about your skill, where did you learn it, how many years it took of you to learn it, how many years of experience you have, and also make sure to have an important question in there and his answer, of course, which is why choose me. And then show clients why they need to choose you instead of the other competitors. And then you move on to add in your top skills. So here, let's remove these 3 skills and let's add our own, which is a TikTok content creator. Let's remove TikTok. And here we have content creation. Then scroll down and save the changes. And after you're done with making all of these changes, click on browse, click on projects. It's where you can find the jobs that you can apply for. And that's it, guys, for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel and share the video with your friends.